Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Builds.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jose and this is DR Builds, where I share DIY projects, home upgrades, and content creator tips. Today I am really excited because I just got something new that is going to seriously improve the quality of my video. Today I am going to unbox this LED video lighting kit from Amazon, and we are going to see if this is actually worth it. So if you have been following my channel, you know that I do a lot of woodworking tutorials and tech reviews. One thing that I have been struggling with is the lighting of my videos. Sometimes my videos look too dark, sometimes too yellow, sometimes too harsh. And good lighting honestly makes a huge difference. So I decided to invest in this affordable lighting kit upgrade to set up without spending hundreds of dollars. So let's just open this box. Right after unboxing this, it does look like this is pretty clean. Everything is nicely packed and nothing moves when this was shipped. So I should not be worried about stuff that is broken. So let's see what we have here. So now that we have opened this, we have two lightning panels. They are actually slim and lightweight, which is nicely because it won't take too much space in my studio. They feel solid and not cheap plastic, and I like how the cord has the control units built in with them. So next we have two tripods, and I'm going to show you. Well, these are taller than what I expected. So they can go all the way 5 feet, I want to say. And I can place this right above eyesight, which is gonna be a huge improvement for what I had before. They feel stable because you can screw them in. And also for packing back, I don't see an issue. And the only thing that I feel is like this is not made of aluminum, it's made of plastic. Okay. Up next we have a bag for packing. It also looks that this comes with two phone holders, which is perfect if you're recording with your phone or doing some TikTok shorts or some live streams. Additionally, we have two adapters right here. These are USB-C adapters for power. One thing I really like about this is that it is USB powered, so I can plug into the wall an adapter or a power bank or even my computer if I need to. Let me go ahead and assemble this one real quick so you can see how easy it is. As you can see, setup is super simple. The tripod opens, light screws on top, and you can tilt the panel up and down so you can have the perfect angle. Alright, so the moment of truth. Let's turn this on. Okay, so this is really bright. This is already a big difference, and wait till I plug both and can use it for my videos. These lights are fully dimmable, and you can dim it in the controller right here. So you have 4 buttons right here, on and off. One to dim down, one to get it brighter, and the other one so you can change the color temperature. This is huge because depending on the time of the day, the room lighting can match the color of your skin tone, and it can look natural or yellow or blue. Let me show you something real quick. This is what my setup looks like without the two new lights. And this is with the lights on. Yeah, I think this is an upgrade. I'm honestly really impressed. For the price, you get two bright LED panels, adjustable stands, color temperature control, dimmable brightness, and USB power. This is perfect for YouTube videos, product reviews, DIY tutorials, streaming, Zoom meetings, or even photography. These are definitely not Hollywood studio lights, but for home creators like you and me, this is an amazing upgrade. I'm planning to use one light as the main key light here and the second as a field light or background light when I'm filming projects in the garage or on my desk. This is going to make my woodworking videos, tutorials, and tech reviews look way more professional. So if you're thinking about upgrading your lights, I'll leave a link of these lights in the description down below so you can check them out. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribers to the channel. It really helps me grow and keep bringing you better content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Have a good one.